Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can use your digital Bank of America card. Now we can use our card digitally by getting a digital wallet, and you can use it by having an Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Once you've set up your digital wallet and have selected your default payment, all you do is to learn how to pay. When you're shopping on your smartphone, there's usually a 1 or 2 click payment prompt to make it as easy as possible. If you're shopping at a retail location, you can hold your phone or device over a point of sale system wherever you see the contactless symbol. You can also, much like digital wallets, peer-to-peer payment services let you send money to almost anyone with a bank account. And you've got different perks and different disadvantages as well. Now of course you can use Google Pay or Apple Pay. I recommend of course to see which one is best, of course, on whatever phone you have. All you need to do is whenever you've downloaded Google Pay or Apple Pay, press it on the add card and add the information of your Bank of America card. And you can use your digital card anywhere. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.